Chairman of Gwarimpa branch of the NSC and the ESCO to invite you all and to welcome you at the same time to the 5th Engineer Aishatu Umar Distinguished Lecture. Engineer Aishatu is a doctor, a fellow of the NSC, a fellow of FNICE, and Hong, a chieftaincy, a very highly ranking chieftaincy title holder. And the theme of the event of today is local materials, a panacea for sustainable building in Nigeria. This event is taking place in collaboration with the World Council of Civil Engineering event, the first summit that is holding here today. So there's a joint MOC, so to say, that is holding this event together. Earlier today we had the second day of the WCCE, and this event is holding, as it is now, the 5th Distinguished Lecture. And later in the evening today, we will have the dinner that will close the first summit of WCCE. So I want to, one more time, thank you for coming, and God bless you all. This event is under the chairmanship of Engineer Tasiu Saad Mudir, fellow of the NSC, the NSC President and Chairman in Council. And our guest speaker today is Professor Samson Duna, the DG and CEO of NBBRI, where we have building technology being put into practice in our country, Nigeria. And like I've said earlier, the celebrant of today is Engineer Dr. Mrs. Aishatu Aliyu Umar. I'll be glad to have some silence and decorum in the house so that we can all hear ourselves as this event unfolds. We have in our midst today as well Engineer Emmanuel Kwaya. This is Director of ICT of Raw Materials Research and Development Council. He's here in place of the DG of that establishment. We also have here Ajia Miriam Sharif. We will do well to clap for her to welcome her to the event of today. We also have here Engineer Sunday Hayat, a fellow of society and member of the National Institute. The former head of service from Plateau State. I also want to welcome Engineer Dr. George Chie, your chief host for the program of today. Chairman, you are welcome, sir. I also have here, I'm sure we can have some decorum in the house. We are all distinguished engineers, so we could do well to let's have some silence in the building. Thank you. We also have here Engineer Hamid Abdulkarim as the past chairman of Gwarimpa branch. Engineer NSC Ezeoku is here as well, the national ESCO of the NSC. You are welcome. And we have students from the University of Abuja here. It's my honor to welcome you to this program. I implore you to be attentive and to watch as events unfold so that early in life you can take charge of engineering in Nigeria. At this point, I want to call on my chairman because we are moving with speed to give us his welcome address. Engineer Dr. George Chie, please come to the podium to give us your welcome address.
Dale.
Thank you.